Kamusta mga kaibigan? Imagine niyo ha, hindi ka na mag-aalala sa sweldo kada kinsenas at katapusan. May time ka sa mga anak, pamilya o tulong sa iba. Yung why na yan, yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nagtitiis today. Ibabahagi ko ang siyam na totoong habits na nagsisave sa amin ng maraming taon para makamit ang financial freedom dito sa Pilipinas. Inspired ito sa mga global story pero fully Pinoy-fied para sa atin sa Quezon City, Manila o kahit sa probinsya. Kung ready ka na, magbago ng buhay, like and subscribe na. Sabihin mo sa comment section, ano ang why mo ngayon. Okay, number 2 set the scene. Your why first muna. Bago ang lahat, tanong ko, ano ang why mo? Gusto mo bang more time with future kids? Freedom to travel, help family or community? Dito sa amin, time freedom at family yung drive. Without the strong why, madaling sumuko. Write it down ngayon. Pause the video if you need to. Habit number 1. Really eat out. Yan. Recently, medyo kumakain po kami. Pero una, halos hindi kami kumakain sa labas. Maybe 2 to 3 times a year. Yan, no? So, 2 to 3 times a year. Hindi dahil hindi kaya, kundi dahil bigger goals. Sa Pilipinas, isang Jollibee meal, 200 to 300 pesos. Grab food delivery, 100 pesos plus fee, Sa halip, home cook, save 5,000 to 10,000 monthly. Easily, batch cook every weekend. Okay, simple lang repeat meals. Pangalawa, simple, paulit-ulit na meals. Chicken, rice, beans, munggo, itlog, kamote, gulay. Sa palengke, 500 to 1,000 a week lang yan para sa dalawa. Burnout is real, so rotate recipes or add variety slowly. Pero it works. Savings rate skyrocketed. Kapag tumaas sweldo from 40,000 to 60,000, lifestyle stayed the same. Yung extra diretso sa savings, investments. Sa Pilipinas, madaling ma-inflate. New phone, new gadgets. Pero most upgrade lang expenses. Hindi buhay. Live below your means. It's freedom. Okay, habit number 4, kill convenience fees. Subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, Foodpanda passes, cancel or share. Deliveries, rare lang, Small leaks, 500 to 2,000 a month. Track sa app like Money Manager, in 1 year, 20,000 ang save mo. Okay, habit number 5, buy use plus DIY skills. Bumili kami ng second-hand phone, appliances sa FB Marketplace o Carousel, learn basic DIY plumbing, repairs via YouTube, skills compound like money. Sa Pilipinas, ukay-ukay clothes or Divisoria finds, save thousands. Habit number 6, extra income everywhere. Side hustle, Katulad nitong YouTube natin. Kaya suportahan niyo po kami. Online, freelance sa Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, VA, writing, graphic design, 20,000 to 50,000 extra per month. Offline, Grab, Toda, driving, tutoring, reselling sa Shopee, Lazada, weekend food stall. Kami tried everything. No glamour but necessary. Anong side hustle mo? Comment down below. Habit number 7, simplify transportation. Cheap used car o LRT, MRT, plus jeep, 1 car per family if possible. Sa Quezon City, traffic killer per public transportation plus occasional Grab saves 10,000 plus month versus owning multiple cars. Okay yung kunwari, motor na lang o kaya pag in-drive, mas mura. Big lever, housing plus transport, 50% plus ng budget. Totoo yan, Okay. Habit number 8, housing hacking, game changer. Pinakamalaking hack, live with family muna to save aggressively. Then bumili ng multi-family duplex townhouse condo with rentable unit or the room rental. Live in one, rent out others. Tenants pay mortgage. Sa Pilipinas, common sa provinces o metro, rent through 5,000 to 10,000 each. Shaves years off our timeline. Research, pag-ibig, financing or low down payment options. Okay, habit number 9, prioritize assets over appearances. Emergency fund first, 3 to 6 months. Expenses sa high interest savings, digital banks like CIMB, CBank. Then real estate, MP2, pag-ibig, UITF stocks, mutual funds, assets build wealth, hindi yung branded bag o kotse para sa itsura. Okay, real Pilipinas number ha, Philippine numbers and motivations. Sa 2026, single person, 35,000 a month possible. Rent, 10,000 to 15,000 shared. Food, 8,000. Transport, 3,000. Save 50%. Invest in MP2, 5 to 7% returns. Index funds, follow 4% rule. Multiply annual expenses times 25 for a number. Example, kung 500,000 a year expenses, 12.5 million goals, achievable with discipline. So overcoming challenges, burnout, take breaks, celebrate small wins, family pressure, educate them, show the why, start small, track expenses, 1 month, cut one subscription, progress over perfection. Okay, kaya mo to. Maraming Pinoy na far na early 40s, traveling, helping family. Your why is your fuel. Kung ano ang first step mo, comment down below. My why is blank, blank, blank. Or starting with No Eat Out Challenge. Hit like if inspired. Subscribe for more Philippines fire tips. Share with someone who needs this. Ito pa ang ilang bonus tips na super effective sa maraming Pinoy na nasa fire journey ngayong 2026. Galing sa mga totoong kwento sa Reddit, Philippine Invest, YouTube comments at sa amin mismo. Una, gamitin ang digital banks para sa emergency fund at short-term savings. CIMB, Cbank, Maya, nasa 4 to 6%. Interest pa rin sila kahit bumaba ang rates. Mas mataas kaysa sa traditional banks. Ilagay mo yung 3 to 6 months expenses mo dito. Safe, madali i-access at lumalaki pa. Pangalawa, max out MP2 contributions. Pag-ibig MP2, 5 to 7%. Average returns, tax-free at pwedeng i-withdraw after 5 years. Maraming fire achievers ang nagsasabi, kung consistent ka lang monthly, malaking chunk ng goal mo galing dito. Start small, 500 pesos a month pa lang okay na. Di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng 1,000,000. Mag-start ka muna sa 500 pesos. Pangatlo, track everything gamit ang apps. Money Manager, X, wallet by budget bankers, o simpleng Google Sheets. Sa amin, weekly review kami. Nakikita agad kung saan napupunta yung pera. Tip, set alerts para sa leaks like subscriptions. Pangapat, build a support system. Sabihin mo sa family or friends and ang why mo. Hindi para maging judgmental, kundi para maging accountable. Maraming Pinoy sa Philippine Invest subreddit ang nag-share kapag may accountability body, mas mataas ang success rate. At last, celebrate milestones. Hindi porket disciplined, walang saya. Kapag na-hit mo yung first 100,000 invested mo, wow, sarap. Treat yourself na something small. Home cook, date night, o libre sa Jollibee. Ito yung nagpapalakas para di sumuko. Maraming Pinoy na nasa landas na nito. Early 30s, 40s, 50s, kahit 50s. May time for family, travel, o tulong sa community. Ikaw rin, kaya mo. Yung mga habits na ito, hindi magic. Consistency lang, plus strong why. Ano ang unang bonus tip na susubukan mo? Comment down below. Susubukan ko ang MP2 o digital bank muna. I-check natin sa comment section kung sino ang magsisimula ngayon. Okay. Salamat sa panonood. God bless your journey to freedom. See you in the next video. Paano mag-invest sa Philippine stocks, MP2 for beginners. Ingat, stay disciplined. Peace out.